Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix Google Chrome Enterprise policy errors, step by step. If Chrome shows warnings like managed by your organization or prevents certain settings, yeah, this guide will help you regain full control. First, open Google Chrome and check the error message. Usually it appears in Settings Arrow Browser Policies. This tells you which policies are currently enforced on your Chrome installation. Next, open Registry Editor on Windows by pressing Win+R, typing regedit, and hitting Enter. Be careful here. Small changes can affect your system, so follow the steps closely. Navigate to HKEY underscore local underscore machine backslash software backslash policies backslash Google backslash Chrome. This is where enterprise policies are stored. If you see policies listed here, right-click and delete them carefully. Some users also need to check HKEE current user backslash software backslash policies backslash Google backslash Chrome. After removing the policies, restart Chrome. Open Chrome / policy in the address bar to verify that no active policies remain. The Managed by Your Organization message should disappear and all settings should be accessible again. For Mac users, check /library/ manage preferences or ~library/ preferences for Google Chrome policy files and remove them if needed. Then restart Chrome. If the issue persists, consider reinstalling Chrome after backing up bookmarks and settings. A fresh install clears residual policies that may have been applied by old configurations or system scripts. Finally, always scan for malware or unwanted software. Sometimes third-party apps enforce policies without your knowledge. Chrome's built-in cleanup tool or antivirus software can help. And that's it. By checking registry or preference files, removing unwanted policies, and reinstalling Chrome if necessary, you can fix enterprise policy errors and regain full control of your browser. If this guide helped, like the video, share it with friends, and subscribe for more step-by-step Chrome tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.